It's that time of month again. It's that time of month where we gather around, give thanks, and patch the large list of vulnerabilities recently released by Microsoft and other software vendors. It's Patchgiving, or Patch Tuesday. This month, the patch list is lighter than the last couple of Novembers and previous months. Compared to last month's 71 patches, this month there are only 55. With that said, these still are not patches you should be sleeping on, and you should patch them as soon as possible. Now, jumping into the 0 days, there are a total of 6 this month that are being patched. Now, 2 of these are being actively exploited, and they target Microsoft Exchange and Microsoft Excel. For Exchange, attackers can gain remote code execution based on improper validation of commandlet arguments if they are already authenticated. This turns out to be a big issue if attackers are using stolen credentials, and this allows them to drop malware that remains after this vulnerability is patched. Now, the Excel vulnerability is interesting because, as of right now, if your Excel is unpatched, attackers could install malicious code just by having you open a booby-trapped Excel document. This apparently can also affect Office and Macs, but Office and Mac patches are not available yet, so be careful. Microsoft is being a little vague on what exactly is being bypassed in Excel to cause this type of issue, but given how many cybercriminals rely on infected Excel documents, it's something you want to patch as soon as possible. Now, amid the rest of the patches are a few that address some weaknesses with Microsoft's Remote Desktop Protocol, also known as RDP. These 2 flaws allow for anyone to view the RDP password on the vulnerable system. So, some statistics put RDP as one of the leading initial attack vectors for ransomware attacks, meaning this is a big hole you'll want to patch to avoid ransomware attacks. Of course, there are other patches to apply, and they pertain to remote code execution, elevation of privileges, information disclosure, denial of service, and spoofing. Now, as always, remember to back up your files and then apply your patches. If you're using Acronis Cyber Protect, all of this is made even easier. With regular backups, patch management, and vulnerability assessment, as soon as patches are available, you are more than likely ready to patch. And should anything happen during the patching process, rolling back is simple and gets you back up and running in no time. So with that said, happy Patchgiving, everybody.